In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your watch history on YouTube TV so you can keep track of the shows, movies, or live streams you've previously watched. Let's get started. While YouTube TV doesn't have a dedicated watch history section like the main YouTube platform, there are still ways to access and manage your viewing activity. To view your watch history, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website and signing into your account. Navigate to the Library tab, where you'll find a section labeled Continue Watching. This section displays shows or videos you've recently watched but haven't finished, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. While this isn't a full watch history, it gives you quick access to partially viewed content. For a more detailed record of your activity, you'll need to use the main YouTube website or app, since YouTube TV doesn't provide a standalone watch history feature. Go to youtube.com on your computer or mobile device. Sign in with the same Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription, and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select History from the drop-down menu. Here you'll see a complete list of videos and live streams you've watched, including those accessed through YouTube TV. If you want to clear your watch history, you can do so directly from the YouTube website or app. In the History section, click Manage All Activity and select the option to delete specific entries or clear your entire history. Keep in mind that this will also affect your activity on the main YouTube platform. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope viewing your watch history on YouTube TV is now easier for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.